Hello friends, welcome back to the Stanley Way. I've got something that my friends from Parts I Am sent me today that is definitely going to make your wiring a whole lot easier. Let's check it out. Alright ladies, you know us guys love to accessorize our ATVs, trucks, cars, boats, doesn't matter what it is, RVs. We're going to buy something and we're going to accessorize it, especially with LED lights. Light bars on trucks, light bars on side-by-sides, it doesn't matter. You accessorize your purses, we accessorize vehicles, right? The problem is, when you start doing all those accessories, whether it's lights, refrigerators, doesn't matter what it is, you end up having tons of wires coming to and from the battery, and it looks like a hot mess, right? Well, one of the ways that you can fix that is by using a fuse block. Now, this is an inexpensive option that you can use to where you can wire up 6 different accessories that are fuse protected by just one wire coming off of your battery. Let me show you how it works. First of all, it's covered. All your wires and terminals are covered. All you have to do is little clips on the sides, push the clips in, and pull the cover right off. So if you look at the top right here, it has a negative terminal. So all you do is you take this negative terminal, use one of the supplied terminals, and you wire this to the negative on your car, truck, SUV, whatever you're wiring to, right? Now you can go straight to the battery, but you don't necessarily have to do that. Just somewhere to the frame that you know has a good ground connection. Then the terminal down here is for the positive. Now this one has to go to the battery. So all you do is you take your supplied wire terminal, put it on this bottom post, and go straight to the battery, and then that's it. That's all you have to the battery. So essentially, you could have 6 different accessories that are nice and organized, wired up with just one wire going to the battery. To me, that sounds awesome. They're also fuse protected. So you have all these fuses. You got 10, 15, 20 amp fuses. Once you have power going to this fuse block, then all you have to do is wire up your negative, which is the negative bus bar. Each one of your fuse circuits has a positive terminal. So let's say you have this wired up, it's ready to go, it's got power going to it. Then you buy a light bar, put the light bar on the truck. Then all you do is take your negative wire, put it on any one of these negative terminals, because all these are going to be negative. It doesn't matter which one you attach the wire to. Then you take your other wire, which the circuit that comes with the light is going to have a switch with it. So you want it to be 20 amp, big light, 20 amp. You simply take the positive wire for that circuit for that light bar and you attach it to this terminal. That's it. It has a light showing you that there's power going to it. So if you ever have an issue, go to turn the light on, it doesn't work. A couple things you can check. You can look at the fuse, obviously, and these are easy fuses to take out. It's got the big fuses, not the little bitty fuses that's hard to get in and out. You can put it right back in by hand, but even if you don't want to do that, it comes with a tool to pull the fuse in and out. Put the tool on it, you've all seen these, right? Take it right out, easy. Put it right back in. Simple to operate. I can't stand those little bitty ones. I guess manufacturers do that to save money. But it comes with 4 mount screws where you can mount this anywhere you want. You can put it on the firewall. It's waterproof, so it could be outside. Or you can put it inside the cab of the truck. You put it wherever you want to put it, and it's going to work. Once you get done with it, you get everything installed. Simply take the cover, put the cover back on. Wires are all protected, the wire terminals, the ends, everything is all protected. Your wires are going to come out here. Wires are going to come out here and here. Simple. Now you may say, well, how do I know which fuse is what? Once you fill this sucker up, then you got to figure out, well, I forgot what fuse. Do I have to trace the wires every time if I forget which fuse goes where? Absolutely not. Simply take these stickers that they supply to you, and the stickers fit perfectly in these little windows right above each one of the fuses. Ladies, you look under the hood of your significant other's truck and you see it's just a wired up mess, you might want to get him one of these. Nice, inexpensive option. It makes it safer fuse protected. It looks better. It's way easier to diagnose if you have a problem, have an electrical problem or something like that. And it'll cut down some of the cussing in the front yard that you hear when he can't get his light bar to work, right? Just speaking the truth because I've done the same things. So as always, thank you for watching. I'll make sure to put a link in the description for this exact fuse block where you can do 6 different circuits and simplify your wiring. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.